Instead of building pipelines that constantly break, Minexa.ai lets both developers and non-developers define a scraper once and reuse it reliably across kayak.com flight listings. Navigate to your dataset page. Minexa.ai works whether you're extracting manually or feeding it into an API pipeline. Open the Minexa.ai extension, go from a live web page to structured data without writing anything or setting up tools. Press the button and Minexa.ai detects how the page loads more data, whether through pages, scrolling, or dynamic updates. No results will be missed. Minexa.ai picked up the pagination and will follow every page on each extraction run. Select whether to scrape only what is visible on the list, or also navigate into each row and extract its full detail page. Click Continue to proceed. Switch to advanced mode when the page requires extra steps before the data becomes accessible. Minexa.ai highlighted the data section automatically. If the highlighted block looks right, click Create Scraper, and Minexa.ai will analyze the content and detect all data points in a couple of minutes. All fields are ready to use. If a value is missing on a page, it returns blank instead of pulling the wrong data, keeping your flight listings clean and accurate. Click API Request to get the full Python request with rendering, retries, and proxy settings already configured for this scraper. Nothing gets guessed. Click Complete Configuration, and any missing field will always show as blank. Multi-page handling is confirmed. All pages will be collected automatically on every run. Start run. Pagination rules and container logic are applied together to ensure full dataset coverage. All of this was extracted automatically. JavaScript-heavy pages, delayed content, and request-level protections were handled without you needing to configure anything. You get flight routes, prices, airlines, departure and arrival times, and more in a clean table. Download the results. Each row maps to one item on the page in a clean and predictable format. Install Minexa.ai and go from any website to a structured dataset in minutes. No selectors, no infrastructure, no maintenance.